guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and I just got my February 2018 paper pumpkin kit, so let's take a look and see what we've got here. So they give us a flyer on the 5th anniversary special box. Next month, March's kit will be the special 5th anniversary box. This is a great time to sign up for the March kit. You need to sign up before March 10th to receive it, but it's going to be in a special box, and you're also going to receive a special gift. I don't know what it's going to be in the box, but that'll be exciting. So that's next month. Okay, so for February, looks like we have our stamp set. Thank you, friend, celebrate, and then there's a bunch of flowers and other things there. All right. A garden green ink spot. And let's see what the kit is. Close all this up. All right. So this is called Wildflower Wishes. Wildflower Wishes. All right, that looks fun. And it is supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. So I love that. For all of you who love the paper pumpkin kits when they make cards, you're going to like this one. So 9 cards and 9 envelopes. All right, and let's open it up. The thing I love about paper pumpkin is that everything you need is all here. So you could throw this in the car, throw this in your purse, this kit, and you can work on it while you're waiting at an appointment or waiting at a kid's practice or something, and you have everything you need. I've done these several times while sitting in my car. The adhesive, everything is included. Some dimensionals. Okay, so we've got, look, all of our envelopes, and I love that they're lined. That's really pretty. These must be our card bases right here. Okay, but I want to grab this out. So our colors, I always turn to the back to see our colors. Garden Green and Sahara Sand are the coordinating colors, which makes sense. So it's Sahara Sand, that's the color of our base, the Garden Green ink. On the back, it also tells you everything that's always included in your kit. So if you like to check all of that, this is where you would see everything that comes with your kit. And then on the inside is our instructions. So it looks like there are 6 steps total, and it looks pretty simple. Let's see, we've got a bunch of just some Sahara Sand base designer series paper. All of the stuff just punches out. It's already all perforated and ready to punch out. Okay, so these are pretty. All these labels. And then these look like they're the words that will go over the front. And usually they give you extra so that you can decide. These look like they're stickers. Oh, that's pretty cool. They usually give you 1 or 2 extra so you can decide what you want to do, because this is the one that says friend. These are all the flower stickers. These are vellum leaves. That's pretty. Celebrate. And then there's the thank you. Well, that's 9. So it doesn't look like there's any extra on this one. So you'll be doing 3 of each. So 3 friend, 3 thank you, and 3 celebrate. So this is pretty. I like it. So I will put these together and then I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I'm back. This was a really fun kit to work with. There's lots of little things to do. Okay, really the hardest part of this whole thing is when you have to adhere this piece over the top of the flower sheets, because you want to make sure you line it up pretty straight. I found the best way to do it was to grab it and quickly just lay it right on top of there. And then also one thing I didn't notice on the stamp sets at first was these are all words. So this one here says your awesomeness. So I put that one with the celebrate. So celebrate your awesomeness. This one says so much. So you could do that with the thank you. This one says hello sweet, which goes with the friend one. I'll show you that. And then up here, this one says big time. And I actually did the big time with the thank you. So let me show you. So this was one of the thank you cards here. Isn't that so sweet? So it says thank you, big time. And you stamp the flowers yourself in green. You tie the ribbon. You put the vellum in wherever you want. It's all up to you to decide. Tie this. You can do however many pearls you want each. Aren't these so sweet? So there's my thank you. Let's see. The celebrate. See, I did the celebrate your awesomeness. Okay, and then the other one for the friend. Let's see. Let me find it. Here we go. So hello, sweet friend. Actually, I like this one. I did them all a little bit different. Let's see. Well, I guess this one will work. So this one, I have the hello, sweet there. On another one, though, I have it a little bit down lower. I think the your awesomeness one, I overlapped a little bit on all of them. But on the thank you, You could do big time or so much. Anyway, aren't these so pretty? And then there's enough stickers that I stuck some stickers on the inside and then also on the backs of my envelopes, so that when I go to mail it, see, there's some stickers on the back. You don't have to do that, but there were so many extra stickers that I decided to use some. There's a lot of vellum pieces, so don't worry about that. There was quite a bit of twine, even with wrapping it twice. And I don't totally love working with these, although I did use them on all the vellum sheets because you can't see through it. But for I'm talking about the tags, but for these, I actually ended up getting my multi-purpose glue out and just sticking a dab of it down on a piece of paper, and then I would dip them in the ends and slide them in. I found that to be the easiest. But these were really fun cards to put together, and aren't they sweet? Actually, can't wait to use these ones. I think they turned out really good and they look impressive. So anyway, I hope you liked February's 2018 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Remember, if you want to get in on that March kit, you need to sign up by March 10th, 2018 in order to receive the March kit. And since Celebration is still going on, this is a great time to do a prepaid Paper Pumpkin subscription. You can do 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And with each of those, you will get a celebration item or two, depending on which you decide to do. So if you have any questions about that or are interested, contact me, a2zstamping@gmail.com, or just go ahead and head over to my shopping page, a2zstamping.stampinup.net, and click on Paper Pumpkin, and you can sign up right there. And I'm happy to help walk you through it if you need that. Thanks, guys. Bye.